welcome to I Make Stuff. This week we're going to be doing something that I have already done on this channel, but I wanted to do it again because I have a new logo. I'm not sure if you have seen it already on my channel as well as some of my later I Make Stuff videos. I had a great friend of mine who created a new logo for me. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to be sublimating it onto some decals for me to put on my phone holder. I think it's called a pop socket, as well as my new headphones. So I'm going to be putting my logo right here. I bought these pop sockets online through AliExpress. So I have several of these blank ones and I've already put one on my phone. So I'm going to now put my logo right here, as well as I mentioned before, my headphones. Previous videos I had created sublimated decals for my laptop. So I have one here and I have one of my son on the bottom as well. And the materials I used were Subli decal. I have a sublimation printer, and then I had printed out the decals onto sublimation paper. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut out the vinyl, and then we're going to heat press the designs onto the vinyl. The heat press is going to be going for 3.5 minutes at 350 degrees. And after we're done with that, I will have 2 brand new decals with my logo. Now that the vinyl has been cut, what we're going to do is now heat press the designs onto the vinyl. I have heat resistant tape, and you need to use heat resistant tape because regular tape will actually melt. So I'm just going to cut at least 2 pieces. And we're going to now make sure that my design is centered onto the vinyl. I am using the light from the window to get a good idea. And once I have found that, I am going to tape the paper down so that it does not move. Okay, once I have done that, just like the other one, I tape it down. And I'm going to put Teflon on the bottom of my heat press. And I'm also going to be covering the top of the designs with another Teflon sheet. Now all I have to do is press for 3.5 minutes. So my decals have been pressed. I left them on the Teflon sheet so that I can let it cool. So let's peel them off. And I'm going to put the Teflon sheet to the side. I am going to first remove the decal for my phone. It came out perfectly. I actually centered the logo perfectly. So I'm just going to now put this onto my phone. So there you go. I have a decal on my little pop socket phone holder thing. I bought this off of AliExpress, and I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in buying one of these as well. So here is the first decal, and then the second one is supposed to go onto my headphones. Came out pretty cool. So I wanted to put it on my headphones so that when I go out and I have my headphones on, people can see my logo as well as my YouTube channel name. So here you go, here's my personalized headphones. I only wanted to do one side so that I can keep the logo of the actual headphones on one side. So now when I put it on, people will be able to see my YouTube channel as well as my logo. So I want to give another big thank you to my friend Brian Lee, who helped me design this awesome logo. I gave him an idea and he went above and beyond. I never thought about my initials being represented by calipers, so that's pretty cool. And I'm going to be using this logo on a lot of different items. I'm trying to just brand everything I do, so my videos as well as shirts maybe, as well as hats. So this was just a quick video on introducing my new logo as well as personalizing some of my items that I use every day. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.